An earthquake with a magnitude of 6.4 occurred on the border of Russia and Mongolia in the Altai Mountains. Tremors were recorded at 4:48 am, Minsk time in the Koshagash region of Saturday, February 15. Attention! In the event of the earthquake, you must leave the premises. Residents of Kazakhstan also felt tremors from the earthquake. The last earthquake in the Altai Republic occurred on May 25 last year. As a result of the natural disaster, minor damage to the plaster was recorded at a school in the village of Kapchagan. There was a short-term power outage in the village of Kosh-Agash. There is no information about casualties.